Okay, so here's another application type problem. And now again, we're going to read it, understand it, and write out the relationships, what are the knowns and unknowns, and we're going to use that 6-step process here. So it says bricks that are 2 1/4 inches thick form a brick wall with 3/8 inch mortar joints. And it says what is the height of the wall above the foundation after 9 courses or 9 rows. So again, if we're understanding this, we have each brick is 2 1/4 inches thick. We have 3/8 inch mortar joints, so that's the mortar between the bricks. That's how thick the mortar is, you know, the glue that holds the bricks together. What is the height of the wall? So we're looking for height of the wall. And so again, if I just draw a wall. Okay, let's say this is where the foundation ends. And so I know each brick is 2 1/4 inches thick, right? So that's going to be my height. But in between where the mortar is, that's going to be what? 3/8 inch. Right? But we also have mortar at the bottom here. We don't need mortar at the top. So how many places are we going to have mortar? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many bricks do we have? Well, we have 9 courses, so that's 9 rows. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so what we're going to do is we've got 9 areas or 9 places where we're going to have to add 3/8 inch height up for the height for the mortar. And we've also got 9 bricks where each brick is going to be add to the height of 9 inches, 2 1/4 inch. So this is going to be using multiplication and addition, right? Because instead of adding 3/8 9 times, we're going to multiply by 9. And instead of adding 2 1/4 9 times, we're going to multiply. And then to get the total height of the wall, we're going to add those 2 products together. So how do we set this up? Well, we've got 9 times 2 1/4 plus 9 times 3/8. Okay. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to change these to mixed numbers. So this is going to be 9/1 times 9/4 plus 9/1 times 3/8. And so we're going to multiply, and we get 81/4. There's nothing to cancel over here. And there's nothing to cancel over here. And we get plus 27/8. And now we've got improper fractions with no common denominator. So I'm going to change this to an 8 because that's the least common multiple here. So the least common divisor is going to be 8. So if I multiply 4 by 2, oops, I get 8. But I also have to multiply the top by 2 as well to get an equivalent fraction. And so this is going to be 162. Right? Okay. And then I'm going to add these together and I get what? 189 over 8. So 189 over 8. And so now I'm going to change it to a mixed number. I don't believe I can reduce this, but we'll see. So what does this equal? Well, this is going to equal 23 5/8 inches. Now, there's more than one way we could have done this. We could have added the mortar and one brick, and we would have gotten the thickness of the bottom row of mortar and the brick, and we would have had 9 of those to add together. Okay, so we could have added the mortar and the brick here together and then multiplied that by 9. Also, we could have changed these both to a mixed number here. So instead of changing this to a common denominator, we could have made it into a mixed number first and then changed it into a mixed number and added the whole numbers and added the mixed numbers that way. So we've gone over that too. So there's different ways of getting to the right answer here. Okay? And that's it. Take care.